If you're a content creator and after creating your videos, they are of large files and you don't know what to do, in this video, we'll be learning how to compress a large file videos and still retain its quality. The first thing you're going to do is to go to Play Store and search for Panda Video Compressor. So you click on Panda Video Compressor. This is the interface you're going to see. If you click on it, then this is the app. Because the app is already installed in my phone, that is why it's like this. So I'll click on Open and we're already inside the app. So this is how the app looks like when it opens. So what we are going to do right now is to select the particular video that we want to compress. So this the particular video I want to compress is 210 MB and it's too large. So I'll click on it, then come down here, don't press anything, you go straight to next. You click on next and this interface comes out. You see small file, medium file. Make sure you highlight on large file. So if I will highlight it right now, this place is, all of them are empty, like 000. Then I'll choose on large file. See that this one is already highlighted. So what I'll do next is to click on next. Then don't click anything here. Just come down here again and click on compress. Then you see that the file has started squeezing. So you allow this particular file to squeeze and compress up to 100%. You get. So let's wait and until our file comes up to 100%. So if you look right now, our file is now 14%. So you have to exercise a little patience and wait till it's 100%. Right now, our file is 86. It's 86% already. Our file is 86%, so we're going to wait more. So the app is now in 97% right now, 98. So you are seeing Panda is nearly done, okay? So let's wait. 99%. Yes. So it's now 100%. So once it has finished compressing, this is the interface you're going to see. So are you seeing that our original file is 210 and the compressed file is 23 MB? Can you imagine? So what you're going to do now is go to compare. And once compare is, you click on compare, this is what you will see. Here is the compressed file and here is the original file, okay? So in compressed file, if you look up here, you see 23 MB and you see that you have saved 89%. So if you want to check it out, you click on the two and check the quality. You see that it's still the same. I'll click on this X. Then what I'll do now is to save this compressed file. So if I click on save and ads will pop up, you have to wait when the ads finish playing, then it will automatically save to your gallery. So I'll click on save. I'll click on OK. So I'll click on this arrow up here and then click on X. Then you see save successfully. So this video has been saved to my gallery. So what I will do next is to go to my gallery. So I go to album now, go straight to Video Panda. If I click on Video Panda, so this is the file I compressed. So that's it. Go and compress your videos. Thank you.